Upgrade your dryer with our quality replacement timer for Whirlpool part number W10745655. Say goodbye to malfunctioning timers and hello to seamless operation with our premium replacement timer that controls your dryer motor, heat circuit and timer motor. It's perfect for Whirlpool appliances and compatible with several other part numbers including 4,454,384, AP 6,003,908, EP 11,731,366, PD 00029500, PS 11,731,366, W10,857,612, and WPW 10,745,655. This high-quality replacement is crafted from premium materials and comes with a 1-year warranty. Don't let a faulty timer slow down your laundry routine. Order now for smoother operation what you need when you need it. Available at beaconhouseware.com.